Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasngi page but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam dakasngi. Ka North East United Football Club kla jam yo maumer ba shipho snem ha ka jingya lenti na du bla seng ya ka. Ka North East United Football Club kabala rakhi kati kasngi kabala pelong Hamadan Stadium Football Gahati men ha ka arpway ring. Ha kati kasngi ka NEUFC kara khot sngo bhai kilat pathai kubor jongbaro ki pratli ki jilla ban shimbenta da ka jingring dor ya ka jing ai jingi kai ha club ya ki player nong yele kai football. Na kaliam kinong yalam ka NEUFC ha ka jingyalam u CEO Mandar Thamhane ulayo abanya gran yakilat pathai ban batai ka jingya lenti kani ka club football na ka jilla shatailam ni.
We treat these coaches and players as our assets, as an organization, as a club, we will not be able to succeed if we don't have that unity, if we don't have that hunger, if we don't have that mentality of fighting for each other. And hence getting individuals who are able to bring this qualities was essential for us, and likewise we did those kind of signings which we felt would bring those qualities, bring those values to the club. And hence we had a lot of good players. We've got very good young players also at the club now. There was Parthiv obviously has been with the club from the beginning. We just know that he's got selected for the Indian Under-23. He played for the Indian Under-23 FC Asian Cup for the Under-23. So there are good young players. We just need the right platform, the right processes, the right systems to put in place for them to deliver what we expect, and to deliver for them to also show their potential which they genuinely have. So I think these are the small steps that we do. We can go on and on for this, but I think these are the first basic steps that I think was very important for us to start when we set the ball rolling, so to say.
Can you hear me? Yeah. Well, it was very important, since the last 3 years I had the option to come to India, but I never thought, I never think to do that step forward till I knew John Abraham and Samandar, and really, and give me that push. I needed to come. And also, one very important point is the region where I'm coming. You know, the team to represent this region, it was very, very important for me, because when you study a little bit the Indian football, you find out that the 70% of the players, they come from this region. You know, everybody loves cricket, but this region loves football. And that for me, it's very, very important to feel it, you know, that we'll be lost in this area. There's a lot of things to do, and it's nice challenge to work here, because in the end, the result today, it's hunger for tomorrow, and we need to be good and to be doing a good job for long term, not only for today. And the day we leave, to leave something, and I think is the indicator, the indicate work and the indicate job, you know. And since I arrived, thanks God, I felt home. Now, I tell you the truth, when you travel around, we went to Jamshedpur, to Mumbai, or I just want to go back home. And I'm saying that I'm back home here, you know. And my club, it's my club now, it's my family. And I think everybody has the same feeling, you know, all the players, all the staff, not only the technical staff, medical staff, administration staff, everybody. We feel a family. We're not too many, and everybody is helping and doing things to go in the right direction. I think I did a good option, good choice to come to Northeast.